In this video, I'm going to show you how you can recover your snap streak on Snapchat. So first of all, what you will need to go ahead and do is head over to your Snapchat. Once you open up Snapchat, obviously you will be on your camera here. And from here, all you need to do is head over to your settings by going to your avatar in the top left hand corner. Once you click on your avatar, you can click on the settings icon in the top right hand corner. Once you click on settings, what you will need to do is scroll down until you find something called support, and under the support option there you will need to click on I need help. Once you click on I need help, what it will do is it will bring you over to Snapchat support, and from here you will need to select snap streaks. Once you select snap streaks, as you can see there is a lot of information here and you can read through this if you wish to do so. But if not, what you can do is you can scroll down until you see what if my Snapchat has gone away. Under that you will see if you feel there was an error, please let us know, so click on please let us know. If you click on let us know, what it will do is it will bring you to here, and here there is a couple of options, and one of them being my Snapchat streaks have disappeared. So if you click on that option, what that will do is it will open up a contact form. So all you need to do now is just enter in your details on this contact form. As you can see, they will need your things like your username, your mobile number, and once you have entered in all the information that you do know about your account to assist Snapchat in getting your snap streak back, what you can do is simply click on the yellow send button there at the bottom. Once you do that, what Snapchat will do is they will review your information and see if they can do anything to recover your snap streak, and they should get back to you within a couple of days. So if this video did help you out, please drop a comment down below, leave a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.